And ultimately, I believe these reports will become the standard. I mean, we can't do it in any other way at this point. And we're really pushing the limits. It seems very promising, but let us know if you have solutions to these challenges.
Well, and Matt, just a really quick follow-up from Amit regarding this. So, are you just using Google Gemini and OpenAI's ChatGPT, or are there any intentions on using Anthropic's Claude or Grok to generate reports too?
Yes, absolutely. We're deciding whether on October 1st, we're going to switch to either the Anthropic. We always use the pro versions, and we're using the reasoning versions and things of that nature. So Sonnet Opus 4, I think, is the latest Anthropic version, although I know the team here just did an AI class, maybe someone could tell me. But I think Anthropic's latest Opus version, and now they have their finance capability. So that is something we will try to switch to the best tool at the time. So we'll either go to Anthropic, and we've also discussed Grok. So those two are kind of lead contenders for the next round robin model. And then we will feed in this ChatGPT report from Q2. We will feed in the ChatGPT or the Gemini report from Q3, and then we will have Anthropic or Grok create the report for Q4, and we will then probably end up back with ChatGPT 5 in January, and we will continue to move these models around. And if we ever, when really, I mean, ultimately we'll ultimately put logins. Our partners are going to have access for free, but we should have some institutional interest. And when we get to that level, we'll probably have the capability of running multiple reports on multiple LLMs simultaneously, and then building up from there. And Amit, I'll tell you, I mean, we have so many plans, but you can imagine, I'll just help you all also, everyone on the call. We have, first of all, you can run a whole industry, which is amazing. And ultimately, once the industries are run and everything's stored in AWS, we will be able to build cross-industry analysis. And then we can also compare across the industry. So we're just going to be able to do everything. That was so impossible. The scale is so large. And imagine we could do it in India, or imagine we could do it in Japan. We don't even need to speak Japanese. We can go in there, we can read any report in any language in 20 minutes. We can have it in any language we want. And we can look across all the industries. We can find the cheapest industry, the fastest growing industry, and then we can find the company within that industry we want to own. So this is like an incredible tool. And the way that I often like to use it is I order a few, I generate a few reports that are of interest at that moment.